In working with my Pro Tempus clients, I have connected to hundreds of computers. When I connect to an unusually slow computer, I have found without exception that computers has a highly fragmented disk drive. If the computer's user makes a comment like, "This computer is so slow, I just want to throw it out the window," it has always had a fragmented page file. This problem can be fixed very easily, as this video will demonstrate. Defragging the disk drives on your computer is as critical to your computer's health as changing oil is to your car's longevity. If you do not change the oil in your car, it will eventually slow down and die a premature death. Likewise, not defragging your computer will cause your computer to eventually slow down to the point that it becomes unusable. Some would suggest that computer makers are not overly concerned about this problem, since many folks assume computers slow down as a natural part of aging, and the only way to fix an old slow computer is to buy a new fast computer. This is not true. Unlike humans, computers do not need to slow down as they age. A well-maintained computer should continue running at the same speed regardless of its age. Yes, a new computer will be faster than a 5-year-old computer, because each year they make the components faster than the previous year. So by comparison, the older computer is slow. But compared to the day it was purchased, it should run at the same speed for the life of the computer. Fragmented disk drives are the primary cause for a computer to slow down. Virus and crapware are also major causes for slow computers. Removing unneeded programs will help your computer run faster. WeatherBug is one example of a program that consumes a large amount of your computer resources with little value in return. I recommend removing it and looking out the window if you want to know if it is raining. Often viruses receive the blame for a slow computer, when the problem is actually a fragmented drive. In an effort to clean unknown viruses from a computer, techs will often wipe a computer clean and restore it back to factory settings, and return a faster computer to their client. One of the side effects of resetting a computer back to the factory settings is that it also returns the disk drive to a non-fragmented state, so yes, the computer will run back at its normal speed. There are much cheaper and easier ways of fixing a fragmented drive than reloading them or buying a new computer. If you have a slow computer, the first thing to try is a defrag utility that has the ability of defragging the system's page file. This file is used by the operating system to manage everything running on your computer. It is the most frequently accessed file, and when it becomes fragmented, it can bring a computer and you to a crawl. Windows 7 and 8 have a built-in defrag utility. However, these cannot repair a fragmented page file. Defragmenting the page file requires a third-party utility. We recommend Puran Software's defrag utility. We will walk you through downloading and installing the Puran defrag utility. Go to the website www.puransoftware.com. Click on the Puran defrag link on the lower right. Scroll down and click on the button "Download this utility." Click on this download button. We are using Chrome, so we will select Open when done. If you are using a different browser, you will need to use the Run option in the browser. Here we will click on Run. You must accept the terms of the software to continue. At the end of the install process, select to launch the utility. Once you complete the following setup, the program will automatically defragment your disk when your computer is idle and when you reboot your computer. This program has 4 tabs across the top, which allow you to set up the options you need. We will recommend the options that work best on our systems. You may decide other options work better in your environment. Select the tab, Additional Operations. Make sure the first 4 checkboxes are checked. Next, select the Automatic Defragmentation tab. At the bottom, click on Add Recommended. Select the boot time option and click on Edit. Make sure the first 4 checkboxes are checked. At the bottom, select Defrag every day on first boot. We will discuss this option later. Click on Next and Finish. Next, select and edit the idle time option. Again, make sure the first 4 checkboxes are checked. We recommend you only defrag the C drive using this option. Select the radio button, that will defrag when the computer is idle. Setting it to run once per day is adequate. Click on Next and Finish. That concludes the install and setup. You can now pretty much forget about this utility. It will do its job with little input on your part. When you reboot your computer, you will see that the defrag utility will run prior to restarting Windows. The first time you reboot, it may take 10 to 15 minutes to defrag a highly fragmented drive. If you need to reboot quickly, you can press the Escape key on your keyboard to bypass the defrag process. We recommend you reboot your computer at least once a week and allow the defrag program time to complete the process. If you reboot every Friday before going to lunch, it will be completed when you return from lunch. Or if you shut your computer down on the weekends, your system will defrag Monday morning while you are getting your morning coffee. The trick is to start a routine and run the boot time defrag once a week, and your system should continue to run at top performance for years. This concludes this video. If you found this helpful, please give me a thumbs up. For other helpful videos, check out www.protempus.com. Click on the free training link at the top.